Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. In fact, I just entered this trade and it moved pretty fast. Um, Let me share this disclaimer first, if I can get it on screen. But, anyways, I'm close to hitting my first target here. So, anyways, uh, any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy trade setups that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy trade setups is not is not indicative of future results. Again, once again, this before that, I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like mostly everyone here who is trading. So, anyways, I got in this trade. It was a typical nice, what we call a nice V2, V3 setup. Um, my students will know what that is. So, this is your one of those legacy high probability setups. So my first target is 2 points, and I basically have second target is 3 points. Since I'm trading two contracts here, my target is basically 4 points. So with this, I'll have, if it hits both targets, it'll be 5 points. So hopefully we'll see what happens here. Let me draw some Fibonacci's on the way down here, because the Fibonacci you see there is basically going up, but right now we are kind of heading down, and it's more like I would call this more of a pullback rather than a complete move to the downside. So let me see here. Okay. I'm drawing another chart. That's the reason why. Let me see this. So right there. Two right there. And I want to make sure we are here. Okay, so I'm close to that second target is close to where I want to be. If you will see here, I'll draw it on there now. Two, three. So from there to here. And there's my target, close to where I want to be. So we'll see how this is going to react. If it's going to head down to my second target as well. We're close to the first target right now. Kind of taking its time, but the momentum is down to that level anyway. So we'll see. Again, if I'm going to pull out let me see if I can find first of all, let me find out if there's any news release, major news release here, if at all. Because that usually comes around this time. Okay. None. There's no high impact news release right now, so that's good. Even the whole trading session, there's no high impact news, so we'll go with what we're going with right now. Let me see if I can pull out a more of a yeah, okay. So here's my more of a macro view of where the market is. This is more of a 5-minute chart. And you can see we're pulling down. This is from last night's session, or yesterday's session. The low of the day there. We hit the high here during the overnight session. And now we are pulling down to the pullback zone, as you can see here in the 3 red lines. So we're trying to get past that, but right now our current trend for this overnight session is, as you can see here, is down right here. As you can see right there, there's our trend line. And as well, it looks like more of a flag pattern, right? So that's where we're at. There's a pennant or flag pattern, whatever, or triangle, what you want to call it. We're hitting this bottom. We'll see what's going to get down there. Again, I might have to put my, we'll see how it's going to react to this trend line here. Right now, let me see where my trades are. Anyways, that's what we're looking at. Close to hitting the first target. We're on 2 ticks away. Hopefully it hit it. So we'll wait. In fact, let me see. I'll put this. That's 3. I might have to put this up a little bit so that it's basically 1, 2, right there. I've tightened my second target because we have a swing low there. So I want to get before that just in case it gets up. So we'll see how it reacts here. How the momentum is. There we go. We hit the first target. We'll see if we can hit this third one here, or second one, I mean. To this one is 3 points.
stop filled.
So basically, that's what I was anticipating. So basically, I only probably got 2 point, what is that? 2.25 points. Yep, 2.25. Let me see if it's going to be setting up here. I just want to make sure that where the volatility or where the momentum is going to be carrying, it might overrun this midpoint, so or midband. So since we reached this target here, it might try to retrace back up. So we'll just wait and see if that's what's going to happen. We'll see how that's going to happen here. So I'll put this on mute and we'll see if I can enter in one more trade here before the market opens. Market opens in less than, it's around 45 minutes. So I might not even take a trade until the market opens or until the morning session opens. Again, depending on this setup, we'll see. So what I'm going to do, it looks like this isn't going to move until we have the market open. So instead of bore yourself here watching this for a trade setup, I'm going to end the session right now. So basically, 2.25 points in profit. This is the pre-market open session. So when I do the next session, it's probably going to be the morning session. In fact, I'm looking at this and it looks like it's going to head up. Um, Giving me that signal right now, but not really what I'm looking for in terms of high probability right now. So that's why I'm going to wait till the market open, get a better chance, higher probability. Okay. Again, let the market come to me rather than just like I said, I don't want to be jumping the gun here. So that I'm going to end this pre-market open, 2.25 points in profit, which is better than nothing. I didn't achieve my daily profit or my profit below 4 points, but that's okay. Like I said, take only what the market is going to give you. If I had my second target at that same target, my first target, I would have achieved my goal. Again, give what the market uh, is allowing to give to you. Okay. So I'll talk to you guys in a few with a morning session. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Bye bye.